Good day, my name is Doroteo N. Lapitan III, and I'm going to present my project in Embedded 4, which is a temperature and humidity sensor with light compensation. Since we don't have the apparatus, uh, we use ways to get an input like sample resistance measured, sample temperature measured, and sample humidity value. Uh, this part is the converted resistance value, which have gone through a voltage divider principle, so we could get the actual value of the light. And in here we're going to input the desired resistance, which is measured, and this would indicate whether the light is on or off during the readings. And this too is the measurement of the thermometer and humidity sensor using the DHT11 sensor. Since there is no existing library in LabVIEW, I've searched library like in Arduino, where there is no existing library for DHT11, and that library cannot run without the input, an actual input from the humidity sensor DHT11. So we set up a sample temperature value, which would be connected here, and the sample humidity value, which will be connected on the humidity. And now we're going to deploy the web publishing tool named Embedded 4. We're going to save this to the disk, and we're going to connect. And since according to NI, this doesn't work on Microsoft Edge and other new browsers, so we're going to use this on Internet Explorer. And this is our project. We're going to run. As you can see, all are default to 0. And for example, the value of the temperature is 35 and humidity is 25. It will be indicated here. In real time, it would fluctuate automatically. But since we're not using actual devices, it's the only way we could prove. And this would be the resistance value measured. When this you can input the desired resistance. In this case, we could set it to 1. Then it only light up when it is over 1, as you can see. It is now below. When it reaches out to 1, it changes it to 2, and it would turn off when it's over 2. And this shows the example of a room that doesn't turn its lights off. There's always light present. When it's turning night, the resistance value decreases. Hence, when it reaches a certain threshold that the user wants, it would indicate that the LED light will be on. As said earlier, this is varying automatically, but since we don't have any actual device, it would be just an example like this. And that would be my project in Embedded 4. Thank you for listening.